What is going on, everybody? Hope you're doing well and great. And in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create button in HTML. Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create buttons using HTML. We'll need a pair of button tag. There is opening button tag and closing button tags. Here is our button to add some text between the buttons tag, like click me. You can set this app as a hyperlink. When you click on this button to do so, just around with a pair of a tag. We have opening a tag and closing a tag. And I will set the href attribute of the opening a tag. We have href tag and we have the link to the URL or related file but of my choosing. To make this simple, let's set the URL to google.com and then save. And I'm going to click on this button. It takes me to Google. You can disable this button by adding disable attribute. Now this button I cannot use longer. If you know a little bit about CSS, you can add some CSS property directly to a button. By setting the style attribute, we can change the background color of button using background color and using the hexadecimal number. This is good, but also you can change the color. Color must be red. That's great. This adds structure to a web page, but it doesn't necessarily add functionality. That's where language like JavaScript comes in. When I click on this button, we can have this button execute some information from a JavaScript file. Create a very simple JavaScript program. But of course, we'll cover this more in the JavaScript series. So let's go right of this hyperlink and have our button to do something else for us. Okay, now I'm going to remove this link from here. Okay, now this button is not working. There is onClick attribute and do something function that we can set a JavaScript function. So we can just place the name of the function between a set of double quotation. We haven't created JavaScript function yet, but let's say that we have a JavaScript function name do something, right? And then follow that name with a set of parentheses and let's create a paragraph under a and write anything you want. I'm going to write hello, save and refresh hello, and then close it. With this program element, I'm going to set the ID attribute by the name of test. And here is a simple JavaScript program. You're going to create a pair of script tag. We have opening script tag and closing script tag. I will say function and that we named do something easy function, then curly braces. So this function will perform subsection of code. So when we click on our button, what do we want this program to do? We have document.getElement by ID. We have test ID. The name of ID is test. Then we have .inner HTML equals double quotation goodbye and the end semicolon. Okay, so when we click on this button, it is going to execute this function do something and then perform whatever code is between this set of curly braces So you need to save, refresh your web page, and if done correctly, when you click on this button, it will change this text from hello to goodbye. So that is very small JavaScript program. So there is an onClick attribute that you can set equal to JavaScript function. But of course, we'll cover more about JavaScript and the JavaScript playlist. In this video, we were more focused on actually creating the button itself. So yeah, if this video helped you, please like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel.